This is AMS TV and you are watching AMS English News, and here are today's top stories. In Tamil Nadu election campaigning, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge sparked controversy after allegedly calling Prime Minister Narendra Modi a terrorist. Reacting strongly, Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav condemned the remark and demanded an apology. He called the statement irresponsible and unacceptable for a national leader. The Chief Minister said such language lower political standards and urged Kharge to reflect on his conduct. The issue has intensified political tension with leaders debating the limit of political criticism during election campaigns. A political storm erupted in Indore after Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge made controversial remarks against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. During a BJP training session, senior leaders strongly criticized Kharge. State BJP President Hemant Khandelwal called the comment unfortunate and disrespectful. Party leaders said such remarks insult the nation and reflect Congress frustration. They added that leader holding high position should maintain dignity in public statements. The controversy has triggered heated political exchange with both parties targeting each other ahead of elections. In Bhopal, the state cabinet led by Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav approved a major welfare proposal. Shelter homes will be built in medical colleges and district hospitals for patient families. These facilities will provide affordable accommodation and food for relatives staying with patients. This scheme will also be implemented in upcoming medical colleges under construction. The government aims to reduce the burden on families who often struggle to find safe and affordable stay near hospitals. This move is expected to improve healthcare support system across the state. In Prayagraj, spiritual leader Dhirendra Shastri stirred controversy during a religious event. He criticized Lescart over alleged restriction on employees wearing religious symbols like Tilak, Mangalsutra and Sindoor. Shastri warned the company, saying if such rule exists, it should operate outside India. His remarks came during a Hanumat Katha event and quickly gained attention. The statement has sparked debate on workplace policies and religious expression. However, no official response from the company has been confirmed yet. A tragic incident has been reported from Khandwa, where the younger brother of MP Gyaneshwar Patil died by suicide. Vishwanath, also known as Badu Patil, age 58, allegedly jumped into a well in his village, Boharda, early Wednesday morning. Local authorities and diverts worked for nearly 3 hours to recover the body. The reason behind the extreme step is not yet clear, and police have started an investigation. The incident has shocked the local community and condolences are being expressed for the grieving family. Popular actor and Member of Parliament Ravi Kishan visited the famous Mahakaleshwar temple on Wednesday morning. After attending the sacred Bhasma Aarti, he offered prayers and performed ritual with full devotion. Ravi Kishan sought blessings from Lord Mahakal and spent time in spiritual reflection. The visit attracted attention from devotees present at the temple. The actor's visit added to the temple's vibrant spiritual atmosphere. Madhya Pradesh is experiencing intense summer heat, with temperature rising sharply across major cities. In Bhopal and nearby regions, the weather remained mostly sunny with very hot afternoon and warm nights. The temperature is hovering around 40 degrees Celsius and is expected to rise further in the coming days. According to weather reports, dry condition will continue, increasing the chances of heatwave-like situation. Some districts may also see strong winds and light clouds cover, but no major rainfall is expected. People are advised to avoid going out during peak afternoon hours and stay hydrated to protect themselves from extreme heat.